Hello and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a super delicious recipe. These are vegan blondies and they taste bomb. Super smooth, delicious, creamy and rich. Like always, I'm gonna leave the entire recipe in the description box down below. For this recipe, you're gonna need chickpeas. And please do not throw away the chickpea water because this you're gonna need for my next recipe, and I'm gonna put the link down below for delicious vegan brownies. So you're gonna need the chickpeas now. Second, you're gonna need flour, 40 grams. And then you're also gonna need chocolates of your choice. Of course, vegan if you decide so. Also, you're gonna need brown sugar. Peanut butter, crunchy is what I prefer. Baking powder. Vanilla extract. And a pinch of salt. Let's get to work. So the first step you're gonna need to take is to mash your chickpeas. If these going too dry, you just use a little bit of water and then maybe add a bit flour later on top of the recipe. Just make sure it looks like the dough at the end that I show here in the video. Next, you're gonna put your mashed chickpeas into a big bowl and then add the rest of the ingredients on top, starting with the peanut butter, the brown sugar. Give it a little toss, mix everything nicely together. It's pretty easy. This dough is heaven, guys. It just works so fast. Whatever you do, you literally can't do anything wrong. Look at how creamy this looks. Guys, this already looks like caramel. I just love this dough. And then you're gonna add your vanilla extract, your baking powder, your pinch of salt, and then last but not least, your flour. Give everything a nice mix, and then we are going to the next step. Now it's time to cut the chocolate into the chunks you prefer. You can take vegan chocolate. I have normal chocolate here since I'm not a vegan, but I love to try all these recipes. And at the end, it doesn't really matter in my opinion. So for me, this chocolate is beautiful. I took the dark chocolate and then the white chocolate and some milk chocolate. You are free to take any kind of chocolate you love. Just make sure you cut it into smaller or bigger pieces, however your taste is. I recommend bigger pieces. It just looks better in the dough later and it just also tastes better. Now add it to your dough, give it a quick mix, and we're almost there. Guys, mom was pretty impressed when I told her I'm gonna make a cake with chickpeas because I'm not into legumes. But this recipe blew my mind. I love them. Now we are going to cut our parchment paper like shown in the video. It makes life much easier. Post that, you're gonna just take some extra baking oil or water and just make your baking sheet a little bit moist so that the paper is sticking. And then you are ready to fill your dough into your baking sheet and bake it, and then enjoy the most delicious blondies ever. Guys, I don't know about you, but I love butterscotch. Butterscotch is kind of like a caramel, but even better because it's with butter. Yes. And I have created a cheesecake with butterscotch. So go down to the description box and click the link and try out this recipe and enjoy. Leave me a comment and let me know how you liked it. Now it's time to bake our blondies for 35 minutes on 180 degrees. Make sure to always preheat your oven on 200. If your trays is too big like mine, then just make it smaller with a little bit of a alu folie And then you have the perfect size for your trays. And now look at these. These blondies are cool and ready to get tasted. I love this smooth texture. It's just amazing, guys. Bake these and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And do not forget to share these recipes with all your vegan friends, families, and everybody else that actually do not like any legumes. Because for 100% they will change their minds forever. Look at them. They look so juicy and they're so soft. I love it. And look who is here today. Hello.
Hello.
How are you, Mom?
Danke schön, gut.
Sehr schön. You are going to try the blondie. Are you ready? Yes. There you go.
Wie?
Ja.
Oh, ich
Bitte
möchte gerne probieren. Danke.
Na dann. Los geht's.
Oh, so zart. Bah, bah. Wow,
Ja?
Bah, bah.
Ehrlich? What do you like? چی شو دوست
sehr,
داری؟
sehr lecker. فاینه، خیلی فاینه. تو دستم اصلا محو شد برداشتم تیکشو.
Oh wow.
بعد
So it's just so soft and so tender and it has a
آروماتش.
beautiful aroma. Nice.
wirklich شیرینیش خیلی اندازه است.
It's super delicious.
سالمه، خیلی سلامته.
And it's healthy. She loves it. Oh, Mom,
Very
go
good,
ahead.
really.
Eat another bite. Take another bite. Yeah. So,
möchte gerne noch.
Hi, she loves it. I love that. Mom loves cake.
Danke.
Made with love.
Hast du meinen Tag gerettet?
Time for me to try it. Let me see how this. Mom is eating all of it. Like, what is this? She's like, no, you're not gonna try it. Okay. Now, let me see what we have here. There it is.
واقعا دستت درد نکنه.
Wow. So delicious. So creamy it is. Oh, guys, you gotta try this. This is exactly what you want in a cake.
بچه
واو.
حتما درست کنین، حتما درست کنین، چون تا حالا نخوردین.
High five, Mom. There you go. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.